Sometimes God will pull you away to build you in the dark where no one sees. The wilderness isn't punishment, it's preparation. It's quiet here, no one else around, just the sound of tears hitting holy ground. I tried to run, but the desert called my name, and in the silence I heard you say, my child, be still, this place is grace. I'm not punishing you, I'm making space. You're pruning me for purpose, you're teaching me to trust. This crushing isn't killing